Introducing the KY-PZ400N from the JVC PTZ Camera line. This brand new camera has that same picture quality that you know from JVC, just now in a PTZ form factor. On the back of the unit, you will see an HDMI port, a 3G SDI port, and a LAN port that supports power over Ethernet. The KY-PZ400N takes advantage of both NDI HX2 and H.265 encoding to maximize picture quality while keeping bandwidth requirements low. The camera can be controlled by the included IR remote, RS-232, RS-485, VISC over IP, and JVC IP protocol with the JVC RM-LP100 controller. Multiple cameras can be controlled from any location over the internet. For Remy Productions, the KY-PZ400N uses the SRT protocol to send glitch-free video over the internet to studios anywhere. And just to show it off a little, here we are using our TriCaster to receive video and control JVC cameras in their studio, which is in a different state. And speaking of protocol, it can stream via NDI, SRT, RTMP, and RTSP, allowing you to bring the feed directly into a production system or send it directly to a CDN like Facebook or YouTube. This camera would be perfect in a situation like a classroom or a corporate office, taking advantage of that wide 71-degree view angle and low noise where lighting isn't ideal. The KY-PZ400N is available now at videoguys.com.